Welcome back to my channel. Okay, so I still can't believe this happened, right? So I went to Target. The other day, and I strolled down the clearance makeup department because I always have to, like, see what they have, right? Oh, this is a haul. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Lakora. And this is a haul. This is a mini impromptu haul video because I went to Target because I had to for something essential. Do not go out unless it is something for essential needs, okay? I had to go to the pharmacy. That's why I was out at Target. But because I was out at Target, I walked down the makeup department and this was in the clearance bin. It's Peter Thomas Roth Retinol Infused PM Night Serum. Peter Thomas Roth. So I'm like, there's no sticker on it. There's nothing on it, right? I'm like, it's in the clearance. Why? Well, because Target doesn't carry Peter Thomas Roth normally, right? That was my first thought. So I went over and I brought it to the woman and I was like, this is in the clearance bin. How much is it? And she scans it and she laughs at me and she goes, it says it's discontinued, but then it says $65. So I don't know. So whatever, I put it in my cart because I was curious still, and curiosity always gets the better of me. And I brought it up and I was checking out and it wouldn't like scan. So I was like, excuse me, I don't know, like, and he goes, all right, $6.58. I thought it was gonna be like 30, half off or something. $6.58, guys, at Target. I'm so excited. Anyways, while I was there, I walked down the E.L.F section because everybody has been talking about these E.L.F bite-size eyeshadows. I got all 4 because I had to know. I need to know what the hype is and if it is worth the hype. They're worth the hype. I'm wearing truffles on my eyes right now. And I wore pumpkin spice yesterday and rose water the day before. And every single eye look, guys, is beautiful. The mattes are creamy and blendable, super easy. The shimmers are like this just delicious, buttery, silky smoothness. And the black is black. And mattes always kind of suck at swatches, but these are good mattes for a swatch. Like, those are pretty. Yeah, those are really nice. So that's truffles. This one is pumpkin spice. I wore this on my eyes yesterday. Like, oh my God. Right? Like, look at that. This is gonna be so, oops. This is gonna be so beautiful in October. Or really any time of year, because I'm basic. Oh my God. No, this one is very bad. This is the only one that I have not done an eyeshadow look with. or really anything. Really anything. So there's that one. They're just so good. Like, so good. And they're only $3. I mean, I have high-end shadows that don't do this. That don't perform like these shadows do. That are way more expensive and frankly not even half the quality. And these are $3, and E.L.F, you nailed it. I think it's a win. If you find a quad that you like, I personally like all 4 of these. And we'll use them. I have this on my inner corner right now. This is rose water. It looks like that. And then I use the truffles on my eye, on my lid, the sparkly silver, and those 2 dark browns for the crease in truffles. That's what I did today. Yesterday, I used this all over my lid, and this in the crease, and then this on the outer. I really like this dark, deep shade in this rose water palette. It's just got like this iridescence to it. I love it. I mean, these are great. They're a little bit, this rose water shades are a little bit dusty, but that's, still love it. On another note, the original makeup eraser, my final thoughts. It's good for swatches, but I don't like it all over the face. Not worth $20 if you ask me. Oh, the other thing I hauled, this is a haul video and I can't even think. This is a haul video and it turned into a mini review of those eyeshadow palettes. So the other thing I hauled was the Lash Paradise. The cat's eating bubble wrap. Well, that's all for this little haul video, guys. I hope you liked it. Don't go out unless it's for something essential, and if it is for something essential, then by all means, walk down the makeup department, and if you have an extra $3, get an eyeshadow palette, because it's worth it, and they're great, and they're fun to play with. It's like makeup yoga and finger painting on your face. It's art. Have an art class on a loved one. I think it's a great idea. Yeah, but that's all. If you liked this video, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. And until next time, bye guys.